Are you tired of sluggish engine performance and high emissions? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaner that can supercharge your car's efficiency, save fuel, and extend engine life. Say goodbye to clogs, smoke, and costly repairs with these powerful solutions trusted by car enthusiasts everywhere. Don't let your vehicle underperform. Unlock its true potential now. So buckle up, hit that gear, and let's play. Number 5. MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner is a powerful fuel additive solution. It effectively cleans and unclogs catalytic converters for smoother performance. This cleaner restores lost horsepower and improves fuel efficiency noticeably. It also protects the engine, reducing risks of serious damage. Using it is simple. Just add directly into your fuel tank. The formula is eco-friendly, ensuring safe use for your vehicle. It works perfectly with gasoline and hybrid cars of all types. Additionally, it cleans EGR valves, oxygen sensors, and turbochargers efficiently. For those seeking the best catalytic converter cleaner, this product delivers reliable results every time. It's an essential maintenance solution for optimal engine health. Number 4. MotorKote Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment is a powerful solution for keeping your engine clean. Its advanced formula dissolves carbon, soot, and harmful buildups effectively. This treatment restores optimal catalytic converter and exhaust system performance, improves fuel combustion and reduces back pressure, enhancing overall engine efficiency. Designed for all gasoline, hybrid, and ethanol-blended vehicles, it offers broad compatibility. The product also lowers harmful emissions, including carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. The pre-measured 16 ounces bottle allows easy, precise single-use application. Safe for all engines, it supports environmentally friendly performance. For anyone seeking the best catalytic converter cleaner, MotorKote delivers reliable results and noticeable engine improvements. Number 3. Liqui Moly 8931 Catalytic System Cleaner is a powerhouse solution. It effectively cleans deposits and impurities from your vehicle's combustion system. This product improves fuel efficiency and ensures smoother engine performance. Its unscented formula is safe and easy to use. The special combination of additives targets both intake and catalytic systems. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in your garage or toolbox. Regular use prevents costly repairs and prolongs catalytic converter life. Designed for automotive exterior applications, it removes stubborn residues efficiently. Liqui Moly 8931 is perfect for anyone seeking the best catalytic converter cleaner. Keep your engine running cleaner, smoother, and more efficiently every time.
Number 2. Autoprofi Oxycat Oxygen Sensor, Catalytic Converter, and Turbocharger Cleaner is designed for preventive maintenance and long-lasting performance. It works safely on all petrol and diesel vehicles without causing damage. The formula cleans the entire exhaust system with regular use. OXICAT activates automatically when a catalytic converter reaches optimal working temperature. Professionals trust it for reliable results and proven effectiveness. Made in Germany and TÜV certified, it guarantees high-quality standards. This cleaner helps maintain engine efficiency and reduces harmful emissions. Perfect for anyone searching for the best catalytic converter cleaner, it ensures smoother performance and longer engine life.
Number 1. Dura Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment delivers top performance. It helps improve fuel systems and overall engine performance quickly. This treatment is perfect to use before replacing catalytic converters. It shields your catalytic system from harmful oil buildup efficiently. Dura Lube also reduces phosphorus and zinc levels at catalyst inlets. Regular use can maintain catalytic efficiency and engine health. The formula is designed for universal fit on all engine types. Additionally, it helps increase fuel economy while protecting vital engine components. Lightweight 16 ounces bottle makes application easy and convenient for every vehicle owner. Ideal choice for anyone seeking the best catalytic converter cleaner. In conclusion, choosing the best catalytic converter cleaner can make a huge difference in your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. With the right product, you can keep your engine running smoothly and reduce harmful emissions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more helpful tips.